1 Mamelodi Sundowns, 1 Orlando Pirates. Sanibona bafethu ufanele. So namhlanje okhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game le bafethu. Umlando uziphindile bafethu. History really repeated itself namhlanje. Sibone Orlando Pirates iguqisa iMamelodi Sundowns kuma penalties. Ama penalty amahle ashawa ama team omabili, but ke uSipho Chain the goalkeeper Orlando Pirates wenza ezibukwayo ngempela the Betway Premiership 2024-2025 season goalkeeper of the season. Umjida ngempela indlela avimbe ngakhona ukhombisile ukuthi why goalkeeper of the season. uRonald Williams ubebamba impukane nje amabhola amhlulile angene nethini wonke amabhola. Orlando Pirates right now iyona team yokuqala engenile kwi-final mase kuthi kulindwe iStellenbosch versus iSkhukhune United esodlala nje kulowo ma games la kudingakala team A1 ezwale eMosmabhida. Asazi ke noma kuzoyi eMabhida noma kephi, but ke ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game bafethu. Maningi ama negatives nama positives nawo maningi, but ngizoqala ama positives. Ama positives ngiyayithanda indlela Orlando Pirates structure ngakhona igame. Yabo, even though Orlando Pirates ingadlali kahle second half, you saw i-first half yethu, i-first half njalo ku-first half asidlali kahle. I don't know why kuma first half, but ku-first half mfethu namhlanje we saw coach eqalisa uTito. Starting with Tito Maswanganyi was very bad. It was not good. It was very bad starting with Tito Maswanganyi. Yabo. And nalapho uzomdlalisa as number 10. Uqalisa uTito Maswanganyi as number 10 against team njengeMamelodi Sundowns. Lokho kwenza Orlando Pirates idlale ngathi iyashota. You saw first half bengathi siyashota impela. Uze ucoach wamkhipha ngo30 minutes uTito Maswanganyi. Wamkhipha wa introduce abani, wa introduce lo mjida lo. Umfukeke as number 10. Sesim-introduce as number 10 umfuke ngilapho ke sesiqala sesidlala ibhola sesidlala kahle. To be honest, iMamelodi Sundowns iyenzile ihomework. Iyenzile ihomework for Orlando Pirates. Indlela namhlanje ade bedlala ngakhona. I saw iMamelodi Sundowns idlala ngehighline. Most ama players wethu be offside. Besitholakala nje siku offside angazi kanjani, but bebeyenza indlela benza ngakhona. Bokunake Orlando Pirates imishaya ikhona each and every time sishaya ikhona. Most abadlali beSundowns bayasuka epalini, bayangqo kulomuqa lo webhokisi. Basuka epalini, basuka run away from their pole. Benza abadlali beOrlando Pirates babe offside. Leyo nto ngiyithandile indlela ade bedlala ngakhona namhlanje. Bebeyiplanele ngempela Orlando Pirates. Uma Orlando Pirates izoshaya ama free kicks, abadlali bayasuka bashaya highline mase siba offside. iMamelodi Sundowns iyenzile homework yayo, but ke nathi emuva umbokazi for me, umbekezeli umbokazi for me ufightile emuva bafethu. Yabona uIkram Reyners benoSales bebethule. Ikram Reyners yes ulitholile igoal, but I didn't see uSales ugame namhlanje. I didn't see uSales ubethule ngenxa yakho umbokazi. Deon Hotto, there's a topic, there's a discussion we need to make about Deon Hotto. Kumele sikhulume about uDeon Hotto, kumele sixoxe ngayo uDeon Hotto, but ke kule game namhlanje umjida for me First half, I would say first half umjida ubengekho mnandi, but ke second half I saw him coming back to his form second half. Yabo, mase kuthi ngaleka right wing back uSibelebele started very good. He was good first half umjida. Umvaleli uTeshik Matthews namhlanje akaphefumulanga ngenxa yakho uSibelebele. Samphusha uSibelebele waphambili safaka abani safaka uShando for me namhlanje wenza izinto ezibasic, akenzanga kakhulu, akenzanga ama mistakes amaningi. But into engamcritica ngakuyona uShando namhlanje benga overlap. Yabo, bengamsize kakhulu uSibelebele up front, because that is why uSibelebele ungambonanga eba more effective second half. He was not effective second half uSibelebele because uShando bengamlekelile. But ke uSibelebele simbonile ke elithola ithuba wanikeza Orlando Pirates igoal. Ingakho right now sikufinale ngenxa yakho uSibelebele. Unga overlap waShando kumlimitile ngempela uSibelebele uthi abe lo mdlali lo sishelo kumbone uyena. Yabo, but ubeyihlupha idefense iMamelodi Sundowns. Ubeyihlupha nje ngempela idefense iMamelodi Sundowns. Namhlanje Sundowns ngempela kumele ibheke ukuthi kahle kumele senze njani emuva. Yabo, Sundowns ayikho into wrong etheni yezile Sundowns. Even though bebengamshutheli ngaleyo ndlela uSipho Chain yes libe khona lelo thuba leli abalitholile ngalomdlali lo uTeshik Matthews. Lapho kwani bengintsho ukuthi langena impela, but ke uSipho Chain washa isave emagnificent. Yabo, naye bengambeka as man of the match. We saw umbatha naye ekhahlela ibhola eliyangqo. Hey, cishe langena la bhola Livimbo Williams. Overall performance yamateam wethu adlalile esiswini bafethu. Ngizokhuluma ngale ndaba yasesiswini. Angazi kwenza alini siyophela imatch sekushintsha isiso. Ngizokhuluma ama negatives. Ama negatives ami angasho ukuthi ama substitutes. Yabo, ukushintsha ka coach. I don't think ucoach uyakwazi ukushintsha. Sibe nje neqiniso bafethu, I don't think ucoach wethu simthengile uyakwazi ukushintsha, but ke siwinile nonetheless. Siwinile, but we have to speak about ukushintsha kwa coach. Ungamkhipha kanjani uSihle Nduli uzofaka uMbuli? Ungamkhipha kanjani uSihle Nduli uzofaka uMariko? Ngempela kumele ubuke lapho uthi kahle kahle yini ucoach ngempela yenzayo right now. iSundowns iyawina, we need a goal. We need a goal. Uzo introduce abani uMariko. uMariko uzodlala nobani eswini? Uzodlala noMbatha. Uzodlala noMbatha eswini. Ubonile ke lapho ukuthi hayi, but abafana into engiyithandayo abakunakanga lokho balwile. iSundowns, I think iSundowns eswini ibilele namhlanje. Ibilele yabo uAlende namhlanje. Mhlawumbe ucoach ngamgxeka kakhulu kodwa ucoach, I think ucoach ubonile ukuthi iSundowns ilele eswini. Abalo rotate ibhola eswini balele because uAlende namhlanje he was very flat. Tebogo Mokoena, yes, he had those glimpses with Tebogo Mokoena. Abadlali bethu bebakhahlela. It was a rough game namhlanje. Abadlali abaningi ade belimala namhlanje. Yabo. But again, the boys really fought. Tito Maswangai is another negative for me. Tito Maswangai is isikhathi manje angazi ukwenza njani. Ubani umfake vele kwi lineup. We spoke about ngosikhathi ingakadlala le game. I made a lineup prediction. I didn't put Tito Maswangai ngamabomu because I knew Tito Maswangai he wasn't going to give us anything. And namhlanje he proved me right ukuthi why simfaka uTito Maswangai lapha as number 10. We are not hating it to Tito Maswangai. Tito Maswangai is one of the best players going on the Pirates, but currently iform yakhe ayikho mnandi. Playing him as number 10 leyo nto yasilimita kakhulu. And another thing, the thing of playing Osuna Police as a right winger bafethu, we have to stop that thing. Le nto iyabheda lento yokudlalisa Osuna Police as a right winger. Yes, we won, but come on guys. As mfethu Osuna Police kube out akakwazi ukudlala mfethu. Indlela adlala yakhona. You saw namhlanje ezidlala ezi left wing. Ubone le cross ayishayile iziyothola uMabasa mfethu. Iziyothola uMabasa ibhola labuya lathola uSibelebele. Ubedlala ezi left wing lapho ubeseyitholile mfethu. Ubesethulile lento le freedom. Yabo. I think it's high time right now we play Mfukeng as number 10. Let's not shy around bafethu. Let's not beating around the bush. Indaba Mfukeng as number 10. Mfukeng le ndawo where idalelwe yona. He was meant to play that position Orlando Pirates. Kumele simnikeze leya position yakhe manje. Sesino Osuna Police right now. We have a new player right now who must play as a left winger. We must cater for Osuna Police. We mustn't force Osuna Police out of position because leyo nto izomenza kube ngathi akusiyena umdlali odlala kahle. Yabo. Right now siwinile siya kwi final. I don't know if siya emabhida noma siya kiphi. But siya kwi final right now. Kumele silungise izinto bafethu. Going forward we must fix izinto.